Hey there trippers, welcome back to another episode. Now before we jump into this one, I don't normally do this, but I'm sending out the SOS. If you're watching and you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, help us grow the channel. We I really appreciate it, but tap that button. Anyway, let's get stuck into it. We have pulled up at Bro Lake, I think it is, Bro Campground, which is BROU in the Eurobodalla National Park. We've come about, I don't know, maybe an hour drive this morning and set up on the lake, on Bro Lake. Check this out. We just stumbled across this one on Wiki. We had no idea where we're heading, but yeah, it's a national park, so you've got to go online and book through national parks. It's we've still got to do it. There is a bit of internet here, so we've still got to do it. We only just stumbled across it, but we'll go on and check that. I think it's about $6 a night. I don't know if that's $6 an adult, but I'll let you know. I'll find out the finer details and let you know. But yeah, so we're going to set up here probably just for the night. But look at this lake. It's bloody beautiful. It looks, the ocean is literally just over there. So I reckon the boys will probably get a couple of baits in the water. See if there's any fish about, but yeah, what a stunner. Right, we're all set up, got the washing out, like I said. Now, one thing we have been doing, as you can see, there is no sunlight whatsoever getting onto those solar panels up there. So just because we have the ability to, we're just running the car straight from the inverter and plugging it straight into the side of the van and just powering the van up like we would normally be on power. So Hayley's in there with the air fryer going, Starlink's running off that. That way we can take the car easy enough and charge it back up. Doesn't deplete the van batteries any quicker than we need to, so just gives us that little bit longer staying power, because we've got no idea when we're going to be hooked up to power next. So, and if we might have it hang out here for a couple of days and without any sun coming in whatsoever, even with 600 amps, it takes its toll reasonably quickly, because we've got a 3000 watt inverter and the Starlink, with them running, it's about anywhere between 12 and 16 amps. So work that out. Running for 10 hours a day, there's 160 amps, 2 days, 320, plus anything else we want to run with no sun coming in whatsoever. I think we're charging about 2 amps sitting here. Won't take long to end up with nothing. So yeah, just got the car plugged into there. So we were gonna hang out here for another day, but we realised we're starting to run out of a few things. So we are heading down to Mystery Bay, which is down near Narooma area. Absolutely stunning place, one of our favourite camps, so we're pretty keen to get there. We're probably going to hang out there for a couple of nights. So we've just been up this morning, a bit of schoolwork done. Now we're just packing up and getting ready to roll out. Yeah, this is a banger of a camp. Highly recommend if you're in the area. There's once you get up further, it's a bit hard for bigger vans, but there's a couple of spots down the bottom. So yeah, definitely recommend Brow Lake. Anyway, let's get out of here and we'll head down to Mystery Bay. And we have made it to Mystery Bay. Yeah, probably one of the tighter little trucks we've ever taken in to get to a spot, but you can see up there, not that one. We come down that one. Bit tight, but we got here. There's home sweet home for the next couple of nights. Bloody beautiful days. So catching up on some rays, getting some power back into the batteries. Oh, a sharp rock. Got the old Ziggy out. We're doing up some pies for lunch for the boys. And the ocean is just over there. You can see Jet just down on the cliff there. But yeah, this is definitely one of our favourite camps in all of Australia. It is a bit of a cracker, and there is a fair chance that I might even get a fish here. I'm not going to say 100%, because as we all know that my fishing record of late is pretty poor. But yeah, hang on, I'll get down here and I'll swing around over this. This is I can't remember the name of that out there. I'll find out and I'll tell you. But I'm going to say Montague, but I'm pretty sure it's not Montague Island. Look at that, what a stunning view. And normally this time of year, the whales come in fairly close just out here, so fingers crossed we might even see a whale or two having a bit of a play. I do have a sneaking suspicion, but that they are just a little too far north at the moment, so, but we'll see. Might get one come past, but yeah, all the way down there, the boat ramp down there, all the way up there.
The boys have been doing some fishing just down off the rocks here, and they're not been doing too bad. They've been getting some little sweep, and Jackson got a leather jacket. Yeah, so they've been having a bit of fun this afternoon, which is always good, keeping the activities going. But yeah, look at this view. I mean, we have camped here a couple of times at Mystery Bay and we keep coming back. It's absolutely beautiful. Oh, I can't talk this morning. Absolutely beautiful, and we should see some whales here, if anywhere. Haven't seen any yet, but I'm gonna keep a lookout. But we'll get the drone up in the air and we'll give you a look.
This place is seriously off its head. Come down this morning, got out of bed, come down this morning for a fish. Didn't catch anything, not because there probably wasn't any fish around, but because I was bloody too preoccupied. Just down there, I was having a little fish just down here. There was a seal sitting down there playing around, so I was watching him, and then just out here, all the way down there was pretty much just a row of whales swimming past. Yeah, these guys were just hanging around, literally, 300 or 400 meters off the beach. Yeah, off its head. So if you haven't been to Mystery Bay, definitely put it on your list. But yeah, so we'll probably hang out here. The young fella's getting his hair cut off. Yeah, so might show you a bit of that getting done. Don't know why, but he wants to get his hair cut off. So he's been growing it for years now. So we've got a hairdresser's appointment booked at 12:10, and they're all gone. That's going to be a bit different. But yeah, anyway, we're going to sit here and enjoy the whales.
So Jack went and got his hair cut, as I said before, and this is the result. Woo, show 'em, bud. So all you people out there commenting on the long hair, he's finally done it.
This one's for you, Graham.
Yeah, he's got it cut off and he feels fantastic. He's absolutely loving it. So no more knots, no more brushing the hair.
Now we just got to work on this other one.
Yeah, Jackson's pretty adamant that that's not happening at the moment.
Pretty sure the mullet's here to stay, so.
Oh, but
much to probably everyone's discussed except his.
He absolutely loves it. We've just come down to Narooma to grab some lunch after Jet's haircut, and look at our view for this morning. It's absolutely beautiful here. It's a little bit windy today, but the sun's out and it's not too cold, so I'm enjoying that. I'm enjoying the sun.
It is cold. It's not warm, it's cold.
You don't have a jumper on, so we're gonna sit down, we're gonna find a spot and have a picnic and enjoy the view.
So we are, as Hayley said, we just went to the cafe after, well, the burger shop, Sublime, up on the main street, and got these burgers and some nachos, and bloody hell, top-notch burger too. So if you're looking for a good feed as you're coming up the highway, stop into Sublime Burger Shop. It's next to the barber, funnily enough. Absolutely stunning burgers.
Nachos are perfect.
This is the funniest thing ever, watching these two feed the birds. It's hilarious. Yeah, they get growing up is optional, I hear. Oh, funny. He just like grabbed you with his feet though. He took it with his beak and then Don't pull away from him.
He came out of nowhere.
This is one of those if you know you know type places. That there's obviously the Rumour Bar, which on its day is one of the most treacherous bar crossings in Australia. Those are your rooftop tinnies that get a little bit adventurous. Not one you want to be hitting up on a rough day, but yeah. And I was right. It is Montague Island out there, just for those of you playing at home that are still watching. Yeah, what a stunning place it is down here in the river. The watercolour in this river just never ceases to amaze us. It is always that blue, as long as the sun's out anyway. Bloody phenomenal.
It's an absolutely beautiful day here. It's a little bit windy, so we're being really careful here on the rocks, but we're catching a few salmon. Woo! Good job, Jet!
If you want the best fun for some kids, find a school of salmon and let them have at it with a pilly.
Ew! Fish on. Fish off. Nah, fish on.
Is that a weed?
Ah! What have we got this time?
Oh, weedy.
What do we got?
Just a little weedy.
Ah, good job, Jackson. There are some whales out there and they are breaching and we are so excited. It is absolutely fantastic to see these whales. They are magnificent. We absolutely love it. They're so exciting.
So, got myself a little mate. Hello. Yeah, there's a younger one as well, but he was jumping up in the van earlier, coming to see if he could get something to eat, but clearly I'm distracting him from eating whatever he's found there, but yeah, I mean, little magpie mate. But so we just been catching up on a bit of schoolwork. Hayley's just in there sorting some stuff out at the moment. But yeah, what a banging morning we had. As you've seen down, catching some fish, whales everywhere. The wind has come up now, it's just feathering through. Nothing too outrageous, still a beautiful day. But not a cloud in the sky. But yeah, just over the back there's another beach that went for a little drive yesterday that had a little bit of surf there, so I might pack the boards up. Well, they're already on the roof, but might head over there and see if I can get a wave. Not super keen on jumping into the old southern water. Last time we went for a paddle was up in Bundaberg, where it was much warmer than what it is now, but yeah, might go over and check that out. But yeah, just one more look at this beautiful place. Oh, never gets old. It's definitely one of our favourite camps in Australia.
beautiful is this little boardwalk down to Paul's Beach. It's only freshly made because I can even smell that the wood is fresh. But Daniel's going to go in for a little bit of a surf. We're going to sit down on the beach and just have a chilled afternoon. See if we can see some more whales jumping out there in the ocean, because they've been going all day today. But yeah, we're protected from the wind here too, so it's good.
Paradise.
We are the only ones here, which is good again, I guess. Got it all to ourselves. Kids are going crazy. Been in the van locked up doing a lot of schoolwork this morning, so it'll be good to get out and have a bit of fresh air. Alright guys, so we're packed up.
Time to say goodbye to one of the most amazing places on the east coast of Australia. Yeah, it's been an absolute ball. If you get the chance, definitely stop by Mystery Bay or this whole area. There's just so much to do. And if you come during whale season, as you've seen, plenty of them everywhere.
Yeah, so we've been watching them down there. This is a great little spot here. However, it is a tight spot for a big rig. So
now,
sit back and watch us try and navigate out.
I've got to try and get out of here. I don't know if I'm going to do it the same way as I got in, so we might be here a little while. But anyway, if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification button, give us a thumbs up if you like what we're doing. But sit back, watch me get out of this spot.
Let's do it. We had about 1 centimetre to the awning then. That was crazy, but we got through.
Got him out. Righto, let's get out of here. See you next week, guys.